In the shadows of a neighboring house or a towering tree, your home yearns for sunlight. It's a common plight shared by warehouses, workshops, and office spaces, where natural light is a scarce commodity. Enter the Himawari Solar system, a game changer in harnessing sunlight. This ingenious device employs a network of lenses that capture sunlight, transmitting it via optical fiber cables to a light fixture within your space. With Himawari, your rooms can bask in the glow of plentiful natural light. An added bonus, it's a surefire way to trim down those pesky electricity bills. But the brilliance of Himawari doesn't stop there. It's outfitted with an automatic tracking system, meticulously following the sun's path to guarantee continual illumination throughout the day. Unleash the potential of the Himawari solar system and bid adieu to dimly lit spaces. For more information, pay a visit to our website. Experience the difference with Himawari, where the sun never sets on your comfort.